which of the following tables show inverse proportion? See here, inverse proportion, both the words should be there. So what? X, Y, this is table number 1, this is table number 2, this is table number 3. Okay. So what are the values given? 6, 12, 30, 48 and 250, 125, 50, 31.25. Okay, we won't go to each and every table. We want proportion. Here, inverse means what? If one moves in a positive direction, the other must move in negative direction. Means one becomes greater, other one should become less. Okay. So direct means what? X is directly proportional to y. It means what? If one increases, other increases. Inverse means what? If one increases, other decreases. It means what? X is inversely proportional to y. This is a sign of inverse. So x equals to k upon y. Therefore xy equals to k. Right? It means what? If you want inverse proportion, then x into y should be constant. So let's check out for each one. 250 into 6, 125 into 12, 50 into 3. Let's see this. I found out the values. 250 into 6, 125 into 12, 30 into 5 and 48 into 31.25. All are 1500. So this is inverse proportion. Now what about B? 115, 615, 130, 600 multiplied. 115 into 615, 70725. 130 into 600, 78,000. Now this multiplication you must go by Vedic maths. I have separate videos for those. Follow those videos. So this multiplication is not constant. So x into y is not equals to constant. So that's why not inverse proportion. Similarly the third one, not constant, therefore not inverse proportion. See here, they are moving inversely. That's okay. But they are not in proportion. We want inverse and proportion both.